The role of artificial intelligence in enhancing robotic process automation. Two emerging technologies that have been at the forefront of this digital transformation are artificial intelligence, AI, and robotic process automation, RPA. How does artificial intelligence enhance RPA? By integrating AI with RPA, businesses can create intelligent automation solutions that are capable of making decisions, learning from data, and continuously improving over time. The benefits of AI integration in RPA development. Increased efficiency. AI-powered RPA bots can work faster and more accurately than human employees, leading to faster processing times and reduced errors. Enhanced decision-making. By leveraging AI algorithms, RPA bots can make complex decisions based on real-time data, leading to more informed and strategic outcomes. Cost savings. By automating repetitive tasks with AI-driven RPA, businesses can significantly reduce operational costs and free up resources for more high-value activities. Improved customer experience. AI-enhanced RPA can help businesses deliver faster and more personalized services to their customers, leading to higher satisfaction levels. The future of intelligent automation. The combination of cognitive automation, machine learning, and advanced technology will drive operational excellence, data processing, and automation tools to new heights. Conclusion. In conclusion, the role of artificial intelligence in enhancing robotic process automation cannot be understated.